Massive dump in Adani stocks. Yes, you heard it right. The shares of Adani Group has been falling since the past 5 trading sessions because of the FPI's freezing matter. The shares of Adani Group companies has tumbled up to 25% on the morning trade on Monday. What is the reason behind this unforeseen fall? It was a media report claiming that NSDL has frozen 3 FPI accounts which has holdings in Adani Group of companies. Now let's break down the scenario and understand what has happened to Adani Group in the past 5 trading sessions. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. First, we look into the reason behind the fall of Adani Group. Adani Enterprises has tumbled 24.99% to 1,201, while the APSE, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, has dropped 18.75% to 681.50 rupees on BSE. Other companies in the group like Adani Green, Adani Total Gas, Adani Transmission declined by 5%, while Adani Power slumped 4.99%. Imagine all the companies of a group hitting their lower circuit on one day. Yes, that has happened in Adani. The biggest reason behind the fall of Adani Group stocks is that, according to the media reports, the 3 foreign funds who has shares in 4 Adani Group companies has been frozen by the National Securities Depository Limited (NSDL). Later, a report has been claimed or added stating that this account has been frozen on May 31st, 2021. Now let's look into the details of FPIs, or the foreign portfolio investors. All these investors are Mauritius-based funds, and the first one is Albula Investment Fund Limited, the second one is APMS Investment Fund Limited, and the third one is Cresta Funds Limited. Before the stock witnessed such a mayhem on Monday, the value of these 3 foreign portfolio investors in the Adani Group was valued around $7.78 billion. Now let's look into what NSDL website has said versus what Adani Group has claimed. According to the report by the news agency PTI, NSDL website has reportedly stated that the accounts of these 3 foreign portfolio investors has been frozen without citing a reason. The NSDL website has listed these 3 FPIs as account level freeze. Now let's look into what Adani Group source claim. As per the report by the news agency PTI, NSDL in an email to Adani Group said, the status of demat accounts mentioned in your trail email are held in active status in NSDL system. Again, as per the report by PTI, a source at the group, however, said that the registrar has in writing stated that the accounts that hold Adani Group stocks has not been frozen. These are the 2 claims of Adani Group as of now. Now the clarification, what Adani Group has to say on this. Billionaire Gautam Adani's group said it has returned confirmation that accounts of 3 foreign funds that are among its top shareholders are not frozen, and reports to the contrary are blatantly erroneous and misleading. Point 5, or what is the current status? From our research and also from certain media reports, we have understood that the accounts are not frozen and is currently active. As always, now let's go to the charts and analyze what has been happening to the stocks of Adani Group in the past 5 trading sessions, and we'll look into what will be happening in the coming days as well.
With the help of ticker tape, let's analyze what has been happening with the share prices of Adani Group in the past 7 days. First, let's look into Adani Enterprises Limited. Adani Enterprises Limited is currently trading at 1,487.50 rupees, which is 119.80 rupees, or 8.76% up. As you can see here, the weekly high, or the high in the past 7 days, is 1,620 rupees and the low is 1,200 rupees, which has happened on Monday, or right after the tweet or the NSDL's or the media's wrong report. So the overall returns in the week is minus 15.25%. And looking into Adani Ports, what we can see here, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone is currently trading at 694.35 rupees, and the weekly high is 856.40 rupees and the low is 638.35 rupees. The overall returns in the past week is minus 24.23%. Adani Enterprises and Adani Ports are the only 2 companies of the group which is currently having volume in the stock market. Let's look into Adani Power. Adani Power, it has been, okay, let's go to the 1 week chart. Yes, Adani Port is currently trading at Adani Power is currently trading at 114.90 rupees, and it has been locked in the lower circuit for the past 4 days. The weekly high is 159.50 rupees and the low is 120.90 rupees, and the returns in the past the returns in the whole week is minus 23.09%. Looking into Adani Green is currently trading at 1,067.55 rupees, and it is again locked in the lower circuit. So as you can see here, the high in the whole week is 1,260 and the low is 1,123, and the overall returns in the week is minus 9.31%. Looking into Adani Transmission is currently trading at 1,240 rupees. Again, this this is also is locked in the lower circuit. The high Adani transmission made in the past whole week is 1640 and the low that made is 1305 rupees, and the returns in the whole week is negative 17.89%. Now Adani Total Gas Limited or ATGL. ATGL is currently trading at 1258.45 rupees, and again like the other stocks it is also locked in the lower circuit, and the high made in the last 7 days is 1632 rupees and the low made is 1324.65 rupees, and the returns in the whole week is minus 18.63%. Let's hope the shares of Adani Group will start moving again. Hopefully we will have a very good and profitable week ahead. Wishing you all a happy weekend. Thank you.